Here in Hershey, the past and present collide beautifully. Cars have changed over the years, but the need for regular maintenance remains constant.
First up is cleanliness. Your car should be washed and waxed regularly, not just for its shiny look, but to protect the paint and prevent corrosion, especially in cold climates where road salt could be a concern.
And remember, routine maintenance, like an annual physical, is crucial. Now, while not every car needs maintenance after every 5,000 miles, it's still good to check and spot minor issues before they become major problems.
And don't skip on any major tune-ups. Older parts need replacing, like spark plugs, oil filters, belts. They keep your car running smoothly.
And to round it out, try to check your fluid levels monthly. It's a simple yet overlooked task. Engine oil, coolant, power steering fluid, windshield washer fluid, brakes, transmission, all should be checked at least twice a year. Maintaining your car isn't just about keeping it running, it's about ensuring it's performing at its best for every mile of your journey. As we wrap up this series, we want to thank you for joining us on this epic adventure, and we invite you to continue learning and exploring with us at CarShield TV.